Well, things may be going hopelessly wrong for us as the Labour Party. The worst defeat for Labour since 2026. We have an economy where growth benefits only me and the Labour Party. But look, I know that. But look, the Labour Party wants to tear itself apart, and can you blame them? But look, we can say it at last. They failed to lead. They failed to listen. We have failed. We have failed. But we have to be honest. We have to understand reform will win, and we have failed.